You said, I'm not reviewing depositions any other way ever again. That's a pretty strong statement to make. Why did you make that?
So I found that you read the transcript and you never read the video. It's like an afterthought. And then when you get to trial and you're doing the designation, you're like, ooh, that, it reads well, but it doesn't sound good. So what integrating them together is you get the video and the transcript all together. So and it helps you be a better lawyer because you're like, oh, this sounds like great testimony. Ordinarily, you're not going to spend the 5 minutes to go try to find the clip, so you just skip that task. But you can watch it and you're like, look, you did a good job getting that testimony, but you didn't really sound, that great for a jury. You may be the bad guy or something. It helps you become a better lawyer because you get to watch yourself asking the questions for that particular key testimony. That was one of the big things. And then two, if I need to get a video clip to like use in a deposition, I depose the captain, he's got his story, and then I want to, depose a representative, an office person, or another crew member. Instead of saying, "Hey, the captain said this," and they're like, "Objection to form, you mischaracterized the testimony." It's like, "Hey, I'm going to play you a section from the captain's deposition and just let you watch it and see what you say." And then just it takes 2 seconds with the transcript pad, and it's all ready to go. So I think everybody's busy, so you like sometimes you have to. It's like a triage when you're preparing. What if it takes too much time? Is it worth the squeeze? So you skip that. What's been great about TranscriptPad is that it reduces the amount of time, so then it opens the door of using those tools and arrows in your tool shed in a deposition more frequently, as opposed to just like, we don't have time to do that, move on. So what it reduces the amount of time, and you don't have to call those companies that sync this transcript, and then they send you this software that you have to like upload on a computer. It doesn't even work that great. So then you have to call the person again to make the clips because you can't even do anything with this old school software that they have. So that's what's been great about TranscriptPad. It helps you review the transcript and then, use it through the litigation. And also, you can see how you did and try to do better because that's what, try to tell everybody over at our firm, like if you think you got you doing great, you got to check yourself. We're always trying to get better over here.